Alright, so this is just a quick update on the rough country seat covers I purchased 11 months ago. Now that I've had them for 11 months, I still think I would highly recommend them. We got a new dog about a year ago, and I've let her come into this truck even after she's soaking wet from jumping in the lake and everything else. These seat covers are really pretty solid. One time, for example, I had spilt a water bottle, realized it had been leaking out all over the place, and I was worried that if it got underneath the seat cover, it would just mildew. So I reached up under the seat cover, between the seat cover and the seat, and it was still bone dry after having a water bottle sit there for like a day, just leaking out continually, drip, drip, drip. And so they seem to be very, very water resistant as far as that's concerned. This is what they look like right now. I have not cleaned these seats in months. The last time I cleaned these seats was our Colorado trip, which was the end of last year. So this is what they look like. This material, it does show a little bit of stains and stuff, which I'm sure will clean right up. I'm going to clean them and we'll see how it looks, but this is the before. And I don't know if you're going to see it, but there's a little bit of stainage going on in these different areas, like from their dirty paws that just, you know, where it was mud. It's mud, and it literally just, for the most part, brushes right off. So I will go ahead and see what it takes to clean these, but the last time I cleaned these, I just used water. I didn't have to use any kind of detergent. I am probably going to use a little detergent on it now on a brush, but we're going to see what they clean up like. The only issue I've had with these seat covers is this center console over time kind of starts to pull up and away because it's how it straps on. So every few months I just have to pull this stuff back on and recover it. But I mean, other than that, I think it works. I mean, and that's not even a big deal. I mean, for the most part, it does stay in place. Let's see what it takes to get these cleaned up and make them look like new. Even this isn't worn off yet. So so far, I'm very pleased with these seat covers. They're holding up very nicely. I think it was a good find. So let me get these things cleaned and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I did my initial vacuuming, and you'll see there's the stains, but before I go any further, I still got some hair that I couldn't get out of the little things. So, I don't know if you can see these stains or not. See? These are little stains. Now again, this is the first cleaning in several months, almost 6. We're just doing a vacuum clean. This is how bad they look, which is, I think, pretty good considering muddy dogs have been getting in and out of this. It's like the dust just comes off. It doesn't like stay. I can't explain it, but it's really good. So I'm going to use one of these lint rollers, and I'm going to lint roll the rest of the dog hair out of here before proceeding. Some of this hair is, and our dog, we believe it's a mutt. Our dog is a mixed breed, but we think she is Terrier and Blue Heeler. And so that's the kind of hair we're dealing with here. Looks like some of the hair is actually able to weave itself into the very small loops that must be in this fabric. So it's a little bit to get it out, but I think I'll get it. A lot of it's coming out like this, not all of it. After pulling off 3 sheets of the lint roller, I've got as much as the hair that's going to come out that way. You can see the stains better from this side. So those are all mud stains basically. But so far this is the first vacuum with that rotating brush and the lint roller. A couple little things I missed. But other than mud stains, I think it looks pretty good. Still needs a little more. Let's see how it does. So basically they say just gently wipe this down with a cloth and sudsy, mildly soapy water. So I've just got a little thing of beans. I haven't cleaned this in so long. It needs a little more than just wipe down gently. I am using a brush. There's still a little bit of dirt here. I'll have to do a second pass. But I just have some Dawn in here with some water and a brush. And I'm just scrubbing it down. And then I vacuum it before it has any chance to really seep into the fabric. And so I'll show you when I go to the other side. It looks like I will have to hit this again. I haven't hit that side yet, but here's in the back. And you remember all the stuff you saw on this. That's clean. I got this clean. I still have to work over on that side. So I'm gonna move over there. But again, that's all I'm using is this. Just scrub it down and then vacuum. I'm gonna hit this again because it still had a little left. All right, all clean. The only thing I have to say about this is it did clean pretty easily. I wish they made it like in gray instead of black, because even though I've cleaned the truck, there's still dog hair floating around in it. And so then it gets on the seat and shows up right away. But yeah, all clean. So I paid $200 for these seat covers on Amazon. And I say that was a good deal. I think they protected my other seat covers really, really well. Like I say, it's almost a year. Very, very abused. As in, like I say, dogs jumping in on them after getting right out of the lake, mud, everything. And yeah, they do really good. The only gripe, like I say, the only gripe is I wish they came in some other colors than black, because the black does tend to show up dirt more, but it does clean relatively easy. So you can find these on Amazon, and if you like, you can support my channel by going to thejohnnyoshow.com/promotions, and that'll take you to my affiliate links, and you can just search on there for seat covers and you'll find these, and that'll take you to my affiliate link to Amazon for these seat covers. I have a GMC 2500 2001. You will find when you look these up, you're not going to find seat covers for that truck. This just ordered Silverado 1500 2001, and they fit. They're the same. So that'll take care of you. All right, I'm going to finish cleaning up the truck and call it a day.